Here at Sisler's Ice in Ohio, Illinois, we make about 150 tons of ice a day. And we're going to show you how that process works.
Here you see our ice being made on plate. It's frozen from the inside out. In a minute you'll see it defrosting, dropping off the plate down into a stainless steel auger. Here you can see the ice going through the sizer, which cuts the larger pieces of ice into smaller pieces. This is a screening auger that screens the snow out of the ice. This is our bagging machine that bags the ice, forms the bag, and then it fills the bag, and then it puts the ringer on the top and closes the bag. They're being stacked on a rack. We take 6 racks, shrink wrap them together, and call it a 6-pack, pun intended. And this is our ice freezer. We store our ice at about 18 degrees.